Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have a Temu package, and I did not order it. This came from Tina at Tina's Reborns. She let me know it was coming. I'm going to open this very carefully because I have no idea, but I know it's kind of packaged funny, and I don't want to tear anything or cut anything. That's what I'm not. All right, now I think I can get it open. I go this way. How do they have this packaged? Huh. Let's take a look. Okay. Let's pull some out. Oh, wow. Oh, this is for Katie. We're going to have to get Katie and run a brush through her hair before she puts it on. She just got a haircut. Oh, God, wait till you see her. She moved while I was doing her little face. Oh, look. Oh, my God, that's so cute. Oh, looks like a little Scottish tartan. Oh, how cute. Oh, that's adorable. We'll get Katie all dressed. I bet. Yep, this is for Katie, too. Oh, thank you, Tina. Let's see if I can get it open. I don't want to squeak it because I want her to get her little sweater on before she sees her little toy here. Oh, how cute. Oh, gingerbread reindeer. Tina, this is so cute. Oh, that is adorable. And there's more. Let's see what else is in here. Get this packaging off. Tina, this is a great big hug in a box. I appreciate this so much. I always appreciate, let's see how they want me to open this. I always appreciate Happy Mail. It means so much. It's just a hug in a box and somebody thinking about you. Do you hear Katie talking about, I heard my name. I think she sent that to me, not you. Oh, my goodness. Oh, goodness. Oh, look at this guy. It's a baby. Oh, he's so cute.
Baby Grinch.
Yeah, he is so cute. Oh, thank you so much. I will be using him. Where is she? Wait just a second.
Behind Gomez.
Aha, behind Gomez. I will be using this coming up for Tina's Grinch Christmas challenge that she has coming up. You know, oh gosh, what was the date? Is it the 18th? Check on Tina's channel. She has the Grinch challenge coming where you can do anything Grinch Stole Christmas video. Oh, I love him. Thank you so much. And my little girl's going to be a doll in this, Tina. Thank you. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.